Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous Citroen C3 Aircross PureTech Feel. Now, this vehicle is currently done 23,468 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour Passion Red, and if you'd like any more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle. Starting at the front here, you've got very stylish LED daytime running lights up top. Nice chrome grille with the Citroen badge. And now around to the side. It does sit very nicely on 16-inch matrix alloy wheels. You do have your indicator integrated into the door mirror that's finished in black. You do have roof rails up top, so you can add things like a roof box to increase your storage. Now taking a look inside to the rear, you've got a very nice cloth interior with two-tone black and grey, with the grey having a nice pattern effect to it that's textured. You do have ISOFIX points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in. It's got plenty of space. It's the ideal vehicle for a family. Now around to the rear of the vehicle. You have your Citroen badge there in the centre, along with your C3 Aircross. Now open up the boot. You've got plenty of storage space. You can easily fit a weekly shopping here. You also have some additional boot floor storage, so you can hide anything away if you need to, and increase your storage space with a deeper space. And now let's take a look inside at the front of the vehicle. So inside you have your leather multifunction steering wheel. Now your seats. You have your front seats here. You've got plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. And now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that it has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you have your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. The folding's great as you can quickly fold your mirrors in if you're in a tighter space. It's also handy if you park on narrow roads to prevent them from being knocked off by other road users. And on the dashboard here, you have your button for turning on or off your lane departure warning. This is a great feature to have, as the vehicle will alert you when you start to drift out of your lane, so you can correct this and prevent yourself from colliding with other road users. You do have automatic headlights, so you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, meaning you can keep focused on the road and not lose concentration to turn them on. You do also have cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and you can arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Now in the centre here, you have your infotainment screen that controls a lot of features of the vehicle. On it you can access your DAB, FM and AM radio, which allows you to easily find and tune your favourite stations to the vehicle. You have your DAB, which provides you with better audio quality as it's digital. You have a list of stations available to you, making it easy to find your favourite ones, and you can save them so you always have them available. You can also connect your own source of audio with USB, and there's Bluetooth connectivity as well, which allows you to make your hands-free phone calls. When connecting with USB, you do have Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink and Android Auto, allowing you to connect your device and bring your phone's interface into the vehicle, allowing you to safely make hands-free calls and texts and use compatible apps such as navigation and music streaming services, so you can access your favourite playlists. You have some vehicle settings here that you can adjust. It's very easy to use. You also have your climate control on here, so you can change your fan speed, the temperature, as well as the direction of airflow. It's a very nice feature to have, and it's clearly laid out with the icons. Underneath as well, you have your buttons for your front and rear defrosting. You also have some storage below. Thanks for watching this video on the Citroen C3 Aircross PureTech Feel. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.